Let's go trick-or-treating. I'm at the first house. Thank you. I got a tingle, you guys. Let's get to the next house. Hello. Oh, thank you. I just got a mini poppet. Let's go to the next house. Hello. Thank you. Bye. I'm back, and it looks like I got a Trimple Dimple, a mini shirt poppet, and a tangle. I really want to go again. Let's maybe do it again. This was so fun. Bye.